Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a auto high taskbar not disappearing in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all press Ctrl Alt and Delete button and go to your task manager. After opening the task manager, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. So here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on restart. After restarting, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your notifications. After that, turn off all notification of apps, etc. So turn off it and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that on the right click on a taskbar, and after doing this that click on a taskbar settings. Go to your taskbar settings. After doing this that click on a taskbar behavior, and after that click on a automatically hide the taskbar. After I close it, click on it, and after doing this that close it. I hope after doing this stat, your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.